In this video, you are going to see how to move an Excel worksheet to another Excel workbook. Here I have a Excel workbook. The name is Big Data Demo Excel and I have a sheet over here. Name is Sheet 2. I want to move this sheet into another Excel workbook. Make sure the another Excel workbook is open. Here I have two Excel workbook. Here is the Big Data Demo Excel and here I have another Excel workbook. The name is Highlight. So go to the Big Data Demo Excel. Click on right button this sheet 2. Click on Move or Copy. Click on Create a Copy. Here in the drop down you can move this worksheet to another new workbook or you can move it to the Highlight. Click on the Highlight and I want to move the Excel worksheet to the end of that workbook. Click on Move to End and click on OK. And here you will see this is the Highlight Excel workbook and I have moved the worksheet properly. Now I can save it. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.